added half an inch over the past 30 days to my arms. And today I'm gonna show you what I've done and what I've changed in order to finally get my arms to grow and push past my genetic potential. There are 4 total exercises, 2 for your biceps and 2 for your triceps. Because if you truly wanna maximize the size of your guns, you gotta work both, right? Biceps, it's fun, it's sexy, but triceps, that's where the true size honestly comes from. Because your tricep makes up 2/3 of the size of your arm. My body hasn't responded like this literally since I've been like 18 or 19 years old. When you start working out, right, your body, it's changing super quick. You're packing on muscle because it's new. Well, because I've been doing this for so long, it really took something special and a true shift in my technique in order to really push past that potential. And so today, let's get down to business. Number 1 exercise is barbell curl. All right, so in terms of which bar, you could use an easy curl or you could use a straight bar, which is what I'm actually gonna be using. I really like the straight bar because it keeps your hands open and it truly puts the biggest strain on your biceps. And so here it is, ready? Exercise number 1 is straight bar curls. How you're gonna perform it may be a little bit different. You're gonna come up and then you're gonna pause, but you're gonna come down and really focus on the negative, right? Up, pause, and focus on the negative. You're gonna do this until failure, all right? Failure should probably hit or happen around 8, 9, 10 range. If you're getting to like 12 and it's still not like super hard or burning, you wanna definitely increase the weight. You don't need to use a ton of weight, but it's all about that negative. Up, pause, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back up. 1, you truly are not even letting your bicep rest. And it's all about the negative. I saw this video of this dude doing tricep pushdowns, and he basically showed the difference. He had all these like electrodes hooked up to his muscles, and he really showed the difference in terms of the engagement and the muscle activation from doing the positive, which is when you do the work, versus the negative. And the negative was literally like 4 times as difficult, and you were activating 4 times the amount of muscle fibers. And so you're gonna do this to failure. Up, pause, and down. That's set number 1. You're gonna do 4 sets. You're only gonna rest for about 60 seconds, and then you're gonna do it again. You can't even imagine how much this starts to burn. Damn, it is so crazy. It is so crazy. Damn. Again, you're gonna rest for about 60 seconds and then you're gonna do it again. Rest another 60 and do it again. 4 sets. After that first exercise, your arms are gonna be pumped, they're gonna be sore, they're gonna be throbbing. But you're gonna move on to the second exercise, which is actually gonna require some dumbbells. I'm gonna be using 20s. If you're a beast, go with 25s or 30s. If you're not quite a beast yet, go with 15s, 12s, it doesn't matter. So you've got your dumbbells, right? You don't need super heavy dumbbells for this because honestly, you're not gonna be able to use them. What you're gonna do, you're gonna start here, hands at your side, come up, twist, pause, and then you're gonna come down nice and slow with the rotation, right? So it looks like this, 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, we're doing all this shit to failure, all right? You're gonna do this, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna do this to failure, right? Little cheating, little controlled cheating, no big deal. You're gonna do this till failure, but failure is gonna come pretty quick because your buys are toast. Up, pause, slow. And then, what you're gonna do is bang out some hammer curls. 1, right there, 2, 3, no pause, 4, you're gonna get as many as you can. 5, 6, right there, 7, keep your arms tight to your side, 8, 9, 10, 11, and that's it. Damn. 4 sets. Smoked, as in like your arms are gonna be so smoked, it's ridiculous. But we gotta move on to triceps. So for these 2 tricep exercises, we're gonna be using the rope, all right? The rope, how most people do it is just here, right? Boom, pushing it down, yeah, right? Everybody does that. Here's the deal. It's not as effective as the way I'm gonna show you, all right? Both of the exercises I'm gonna show you do use the ropes. There are other great tricep exercises. These are the 2 exercises I've been doing for the past 30 days that have been effective for me, so I'm gonna just show you, all right? So here's the deal. Normal triceps, you're coming here, you're pausing, you're coming up, nice and slow. Well, here's the deal. When I changed the way I did these, it was crazy. I felt them in a whole different way, and it was like it was a new exercise. Instead of standing up nice and straight, I actually leaned over. All right, now, boom, the tension's already on. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press down, right? I'm gonna hold it, and once again, it's all about that negative. Nice and slow, about 5 seconds up, down, pause, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most people come in here and just crank them down, right? Maybe they'll pause it at the bottom, but when you actually lean over, right, down, and you pause, and you let it up, the tension is staying on that muscle. And the negative, gentlemen, that is really where the magic is happening. You are activating all sorts of muscle fibers in ways that you didn't even know existed. Your arms are gonna burn, they're gonna be sore, like they've never been sore in like a really long time, and they're actually gonna grow. All right, so here's the deal. I'm gonna do about 15, nice and slow, controlled, down, pause, negative, ooh, feel it, right? Do it again, negative, feel it, 5 seconds, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are so hard. I'm gonna get about 12 to 15, and then, these hurt so bad. I'm basically gonna hold the balls together, and I'm stepping back a little bit, still leaning over, and I'm just pushing down. Another 10 reps of these to finish them off. And that is set number 1. You got 4. I'm telling you, gentlemen, you gotta try this workout, right? So just to give you a different angle, here it is, right? Starting here, backing up, leaning forward, press down, hold it, and slow. 5 seconds, down, and slow. It's all about leaning over. The whole idea is that you're changing the angle in order to ensure that the tension is where it needs to be the entire exercise. Slow. The negative, gentlemen, it's all about the negative. And then when you're finished, 12 to 15 reps, then once again, you're gonna back it up a little bit more. Right here, elbows nice and tight, tension on, banging out another 10 to 12 reps right there. Ow! 2 more sets. So after 4 sets of the push downs, now we're going overhead extension for the second and final exercise. Here's how I like to do it, right? The rope is staying up nice and high. You could drop it, you could do it overhead like that. For me, what I like to do is take them, 1 big step, press out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna get 12 to 15 reps here. These are hard, gentlemen. These are hard. Once again, that negative. It's all about the negative with this exercise, with all of these exercises, to really force the growth and to stimulate the muscle. And when you can't do anymore, you're gonna flip around and you're gonna bang out 15 to 20 reps. Hands together, right there. Bend over, 15 to 20 reps of push downs to finish it off. Damn, this burns so bad. And, I got 2 more sets, gentlemen. 4 sets of that in total. That's it. That's the workout, right? I've been doing this workout now for the past 4 weeks, and my arms have finally started to grow and respond. 1/2 inch in 30 days. I do this workout twice a week. I leave enough time in between so that I'm not sore the next time I go to do it, but it has been an absolute game changer in terms of finally forcing my arms to grow. I'm gonna list down in the description the sets and the reps and the exercises. In terms of the weight, it really boils down to you and what you can do. Don't worry about other people. You don't need to go super heavy with this. It's all about form, and it's all about that negative, right? You gotta slow it down and you will get those guns to grow. If you dug this video and want more workout tips, why don't you drop me one of these?